In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify checkout settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find these options and how to tune them for a smooth, conversion-friendly checkout. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the home dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and head into Settings. Inside Settings, select Checkout. This page is your control center for how customers move through payment and the details they share. Begin with Customer Contact Method. Here, you choose how shoppers communicate and receive updates during checkout. You can prioritize email, allow phone numbers for SMS updates, or offer both. Pick what best serves your customers and fulfillment workflows. If you ship physical goods, enabling phone and SMS can reduce delivery questions. If you primarily sell digital products, email alone might keep things simple. While you're here, consider enabling the option to show a link for customers to track their order with Shop. Turning this on adds an easy tracking path on the order status page, improving transparency and reducing support tickets. Next, move to Customer Information. This section lets you control which fields appear and whether they're optional or required. For full name, decide if you need both first and last names. With company name, choose whether to hide it, make it optional, or require it, handy for B2B orders. Address line 2 is typically optional and covers apartments or suites. For the shipping address phone number, set it to required if your carriers need it for delivery updates or troubleshooting, otherwise leave it optional to reduce friction. A good rule of thumb is to only require what you truly need to fulfill orders accurately. Open Marketing Opt-in to manage consent at checkout. Decide whether to offer an opt-in and choose the channels that fit your strategy, email and SMS. Keep your language clear and compliant with local regulations so customers understand exactly what they're joining. Scroll to Tipping to allow tips at checkout. This can be useful for service-driven stores, creators, or cause-based shops. Select the preset amounts or percentages that feel appropriate for your audience and make sure the option appears prominently but respectfully. If you serve different regions or want to refine phrasing, visit Checkout Language. Choose the appropriate language and adjust copy so it matches your brand voice and customer expectations. Finally, look at Advanced Preferences for deeper behavior controls. Make careful changes here and only what you understand, as these settings can affect the overall checkout flow. When you're finished, review your selections and save so everything takes effect. That's your guided tour of Shopify checkout settings. Simple,